Here I've got Apple iPhone 12 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open your phone dialer, then switch to contacts, and now pick the contact that you would like to block. In my case it is Team, mark it, and then scroll down a bit. Here you will notice block this caller. So if you would like to block it, just mark block this caller and then confirm that you would like to block it so you will not receive any phone calls or messages from this number. And that's it. As you can see now, Tim is blocked, and whenever you would like to unblock this caller, unblock this number, just mark unblock this number, and that's it. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.